What is up guys, this is Ellie, in short for Epic Lit Yeth. Today I'm gonna teach you how I turn this picture into this. Using only Adobe Illustrator. Before we start, you need to know the 3 basic steps. Once that you learn these 3, you are able to do the whole project. So the first thing that you need to do is to open the Illustrator. To start, click the new or the new document. Now you can add your desired size of your project. It's depend on you how big or small it is. To start, click the layer. Now you can add the picture that you want to use. You can use your own picture, but make sure this is a high quality so that you are able to see the details. Then click create new layer. Make sure that every time you are going to put some layer, put some label on it. The second is eyedropper. This will allow you to pick up the specific color of the image that you are using. The third is the pen tool. This is the main weapon here. It allows you to create shapes and curves. And this is also the tools that you are going to use to draw and to copy the image. Trace the image like what I'm doing in the video. Now you already know the 3 basic steps. You can do the whole project. You can continue by doing the hair, nose, eyes, etc. You can follow the flow of this video so that you didn't lose in track. If you have a background using the Photoshop, this will be easy for you. You can add multiple color on every image to add more details. The more details, the more better result will happen on your project. You can still edit your past layer if there's something that you want to put or you have mistake by just clicking the layer. Please leave a like and subscribe for more this kind of video. Thanks for watching.